Hello everyone, welcome to our free CapCut Masterclass for Beginners. If you've just installed CapCut and don't know where to start, don't worry. In this series, I'll explain every button and every tool in simple English. By the end of this course, you'll be able to edit your own videos confidently using only your phone. So let's get started.
The first thing you need to do is to open your CapCut. You tap on New Video. Choose the photo or video you want to edit. Tap on Add. Welcome to the editing screen. This is the main editing screen. Don't worry if it looks confusing. We are going to learn every part one by one. This large area is called the preview window. Anything you edit will appear here. Whenever you add text, effects, music, stickers, or animations, you will always see the results in this window. This place is called the timeline. Think of it as the road your video travels on. Every photo, video, sound, text and effect you add will appear here. If your video is longer, simply swipe left or right to move through the timeline. This is the play button. I recommend previewing your video often while editing so you can catch mistakes early. This white vertical line is called the playhead. Wherever this line is, that is exactly where CapCut will make your edits. If you want to split a clip or edit text. If you want to split a clip or add text, first move the playhead to the correct position. This button here is called the export button. When you are done editing, just tap export. CapCut will save your finished video to your phone. We will learn the best export settings in a later lesson. You may also notice AI UHD at the top. This feature uses artificial intelligence to improve the quality of some videos. Depending on your version of CapCut, some AI features may require an internet connection or a pro subscription. These two arrows are very useful. The left arrow is undo. It removes your last action if you make a mistake when editing. By the time we enter practical, you understand what I mean. The right arrow is redo. It brings back the action you just removed. Don't be afraid to experiment. If something goes wrong, simply use undo. At the bottom of the screen is the toolbar. This is where almost all your edit tools are located. Here you will find edits, audio, text, effects, overlay, captions. There are many more tools you can swipe left or right to see additional options. Don't worry, we will explain each one in detail in the coming lessons. When you tap on a photo or a video in the timeline, a blue outline appears around it. This means clip is selected. Once a clip is selected, CapCut shows you all the tools available for.
Congratulations, you have completed Lesson 1. Today we learned how to understand the CapCut interface, the preview window, the timeline, the playhead, the export button, AI UHD, and the bottom toolbar. So I would like you to go now, create a video or a photo, import it into CapCut, and identify the preview window, timeline, playhead, play button, export button, and toolbar. In Lesson 2, we'll explore the edit menu and explain every tool inside it, one by one. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next lesson.